Hello everyone, my name Aditya Yuda Pratama. I'm from Maritim Raja Ali Haji University. I want to show you my project game, 3D games RPG Kesatria Magang. I'm using Unity for this engine game, and this game is a semi-open world game. Any quest, and don't forget it, the main character has a sword and shield. Yeah, actually it's not work. It's not work and useless weapon. Yeah. In conclusion, my project game is a very lot of flaws. Yeah, movement or age and order. But you interest wanna play my game? You can download in description. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time. Next my project. Yes, I name this game. Goodbye.